Today we are talking about these pet training mats. We recently installed a garden at our home. We have some raised boxes, and our cat has been going in there and using the garden as a litter box, and we want to discourage her from doing that. So we reached out, and company was kind enough to send us these to utilize, and they have been a really simple solution for discouraging our cat from going into the garden and using it as a litter box. These pads are super lightweight. So in the box you get 13 feet, which equates to about 10 of these panels. They connect together. They have little holes on one side and then pins on the other so that you can kind of connect them in sequence if needed. These can be used in any area that you want to discourage your pet from going. So if you have a table or a chair or a floor or a certain area, couch that you want to keep them off of, this helps train them to say, hey, this is uncomfortable. I don't want to put my feet on it. I'm not going to go in that area. It's not painful. It's not going to hurt them, but it's just not comfortable. So they will stay away from it. And after a while, they'll learn that that's not a place that they want to go. And so you should be able to remove these. I really like this as an option for discouraging pets from going in areas that we don't want them to go.